How to enable, how to turn on the dark mode on your iPhone. You have any iPhone and you want to enable dark mode on any iPhone. Let's get started, guys. First you have to just open the mobile settings, and now you can tell me in the comment box which iPhone model are you using right now, and like this video. If you like this video, then I will tell you in the iPhone's tutorials videos on this channel. So let's start it, friends. You have to just open your iPhone settings. Now you can define here display options. You have to just scroll up, and now you can see in the settings display and brightness. Click on the display and brightness options. Now you can find here display and brightness options. Now you can see in the top light and dark options have aperture. Now you have to just click on the dark options. When you will click on the dark option, you can see your iPhone will be convert to the dark theme, dark wallpaper with. You can see in the dark mode will be enabled on your iPhone. This is the very easy setting to dark mode setting aperture on iPhone. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel Gen 1 Guide YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.